Hello, this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up for the first time your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, any other version of Apple device. Not only that, how you can make an Apple ID to use it. So let's see here, power on your phone, brand new version, brand new phone. Okay, now in this screen you have to choose your language. So I'm choosing English here. Your country at the moment I'm in Spain, so I hit Spain, setting language, waiting for the confirmation. Now you see appearance, you have to decide. You can choose between default, medium and large. I leave as it is in default version. I hit continue. Quick start, setup without another device. I hit setup without at the bottom. Setup later setting, customizing setting, setup later setting. This is not important at the moment. I hit this one. Now in this case, if you have connected your chip, so you will see your internet option and other option signal. If you're not connected, then you have to connect with your Wi-Fi. In this case, I'm gonna connect with the Wi-Fi, so I can use this one. I hit here my Wi-Fi option. So I have to put the password. After putting the password, I'll be back. The Wi-Fi is connected. Now I'm gonna hit a next button, continue. Set up by myself, set up for child. So set up this one for me. I'm gonna use this one, set up for myself. Face ID, you can do any moment. Okay, I hit continue to put my face ID. Continue the setup. You have to put some passcode. Everything is done. Transfer your app data from iCloud backup. Don't transfer anything. I want to use this one as a brand new iPhone. I hit this one. In this case, if you want to use your previous email account, you can use this one. And if you don't have any email account, hit this one, don't have an email account. I hit this one. Here they give you option, get an iCloud email address. I hit this one. I put a name, it will be iCloud Harry J at iCloud.com. So they will give me a new email address, okay? Or use an existing email address. So you can use your live account Gmail, or you can have an iCloud account. I hit continue, create email address. I hit this one. I have to put a password. I hit here continue. So here is my phone number. They will register this phone to my phone number that is connected. That means you have to have a chip. In some cases, if you don't have chip, I think still you can do that. So they will send me a text or phone call. So in this case, I think I need a chip inside to have a new Apple ID. So I hit continue here. Maybe in some cases, may not. So they're gonna send me a verification code. In this case, I'm waiting for that. Perfect, you see how the codes arrive. Here I have term and condition option. Go at bottom, hit agree, because you have to do that. Everything is done here. Apple signing up. Update your phone automatically, only download automatically, continue. Location service, if you want to activate, you do that. If you don't want, you can do that later. I hit later, I hit OK button. Apple Pay is good, I use always. If you want to activate now, you can do that, or you can do that later as well. So I'm gonna do that later. Setup skin later as well. So action button, how you can use other information. You can customize your action button. I hit not now. Continue. Camera controller button, this is new feature. You can see how it is. I hit continue. Continue. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. I swipe up. Wow, beautiful Apple account code here. Lovely phone, guys. So this is the way you can do this. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.